Today we're gonna show you guys how we made this transition
using Adobe's cross dissolve tool and keyframes.
Let's deep dive into the specifics and look at this car to water tank transition. So first things first, drag the 2 clips into your timeline. So for these 2 clips, we wanna cut on the motion so it looks like she's falling through her car.
Okay, so here it looks like that should be the cut, right? We wanna make it look like she's falling through, so we'll press Command K and then chop the rest of that. So we wanna get it right when she's falling through the water. So we'll Command K again and then drag these clips together.
So the framing of these 2 clips is very different. So we wanna use keyframes to zoom in on the water tank and match both of those up.
First go up to effect controls, and then over here we have position and scale. So let's go in with the scale. And a big one for this is gonna be rotation. So we'll zoom in here. And now let's go back, check. Okay, so a lot better. We're getting somewhere.
We're literally perfectionists, so we can keep going in here and making sure it looks exact with the scale and position. It's kind of fun to just play around with it.
Okay, so now that it's lined up really well, we're gonna go in. This is one of our favorite tools. It's the cross dissolve effect. So we're gonna come over here to effects, type in cross dissolve, and then drag this in between these 2 clips.
And then this will basically merge the beginning and the end of the clip together to make that look like almost unrecognizable to see start and finish.
Like fading in. And then you can also adjust the cross dissolve because you can have it super long, but for this, we're gonna have it be a little bit shorter since it's a really quick movement.
And this is like the secret to getting the smoothest transitions.
This is feeling good. Again, it's like the feeling when you look at it, if you're like, yes, it's right.
You know when you know.
You know.
We quickly added coloring and music from Adobe stock. Here's the final product. I love it. Follow the link below to unlock more productivity tips from Adobe.
And see more tutorials like this on the Creative Cloud YouTube channel.
Cut! That's a wrap!